What's up, everybody? Had a little bit more footage repotting Japanese black pine. This was the last of my 2-year-olds. Tallest one, too. All these 2-year-olds have a lot of mycorrhiza. Combed it out a little bit. See where it tried to eat my screen. Yeah, kept the soil from falling out. Definitely make sure I comb the roots out really good. Make sure I can see everything. Rearrange, cut back. These roots are really ugly. I don't know what's up with that little knee elbow. And let's try to wire it down a little bit. Try to incorporate it into the trunk. We'll see how it goes. This one might not be a exposed root. Might toss it. Who knows? So funny. A couple 2-year-olds I didn't take any footage of repotting had amazing roots. Unlike the ones I did get footage of. The inner diameter on these colanders is like 7 inches. I really like to invest in some 6-inch pond baskets next time. Try those out. I like the greater depth of them. And we got it out on the bench, watered up. Tried using copper wire on this one. It works fine. Definitely gotta use a large gauge. These are the two that didn't do the seedling cutting technique on. That one was weak at the time. The bug ate the bud off the top, and then it just shot 4 out. 4 shoots. You can repot these 1-year-olds, no problem. Check out the roots. You can see the stems a little bit longer. Looks kind of like it has a taproot almost. It's got a good amount of roots. Go for a exposed root with that one. Oh no. I'm going to cut some of these shoots off. The roots are unimpressive. I don't know what'll become of this guy. I'm gonna stick it back in a little cup, see what happens with it. Unimpressive. Maybe exposed root, maybe. 1-year-old wired up. Roots are all heading downwards. This I could possibly work for exposed root. I'll plant it in a cylinder and see what happens. I repotted the quiche that I got from Evergreen Garden Works. That was what's left of its pot. Yeah, there's infinite variations of ways you could do this. Over on bonsainet.com, they've got the 6-year JBP from seed to bonsai contest thread. They've got a lot of good examples of people trying different ways to grow exposed root and different styles. It's pretty cool. I want to see the alien face hugger looking style going on here. Roots are already pointed downwards, and they'll continue to grow down through the cylinder. They get down into the colander. Hopefully they'll thicken up. Few years, I'll take this plastic, the black plastic off and look, see how the roots are doing. If it looks good enough to be exposed root, I'll cover them back up, grow it some more, thicken the roots more. Just depends how it looks. Let's see what happens. I'll do some more variations of this next time I pot some up. Cut 2 of the shoots off of this guy and pot it back up. See what happens with it. Say a couple seeds from last year that didn't germinate. They're alive. Those are seedling cuttings from last year. Doing great. The 1-year-old loblollies are so tall. Freaking lanky things. I don't know what I'm going to do with those. There we go. We are done with the black pine repotting. All right, I'm out of here.